Hey guys, welcome back to another video from your least favorite YouTuber. Today we will be unboxing the all new Apple MacBook Pro. This comes with a new M5 processor. Since I chose the base model, it also comes with 16GB of RAM, 1TB SSD and a 10-core GPU. So I've actually never owned a MacBook before, but I've always wanted to have one, always wanted to try it. Never could really afford it, but now finally we bought it today at the launch date.
A few moments later.
We're now getting into the better part of this unboxing, where we actually can see the MacBook. I went for a color space black, which is what they call it now, with the 14-inch screen. The 14-inch screen is capable of just below 4K resolution, 1600 nits as a peak and 1000 nits sustained, so the blacks and the brights will look extremely nice here. The screen also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, so scrolling and animations will look butter smooth. It also comes with a charger, actually a 70-watt charger, and of course the power cable.
Nice.
We also got some small little notes with the specifications, but seems like they have dropped the stickers. No more stickers to play around with. So let's talk a little bit about the interface and the ports. First off, on the right side we have an SD card reader, a Thunderbolt 5 as a USB-C, and an HDMI port. When we move to the back of the PC, we can see there's intake and exhaust for the fans. This will definitely help keep them cool. On the left side we have the MagSafe 3 port, and we have two Thunderbolt 5s as USB-C and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Ooh. I'll go ahead and finish up the setup, and we'll do a little speaker test. So I hope you liked the unboxing video, and like and comment what you want to see next, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.